I've been watching a lot of videos on how people have been saying, hey, you can do a snorkel on a Viking, so this is where I actually did my own. I took a RTV sealant and I shoved the intake pipe into a 4-inch pipe, and I did RTV sealant with some Flex Seal, and I went all the way around. Then took a 4-inch to a 3-inch pipe, then a 3-inch to a 2-inch, 2-inch all the way around, and then all the way around to the back and coming up. So from there it comes all the way out. I'm going to put a filter on that, a K&N air filter, once I get back to the store. But I took the boot right there, put a 3-inch pipe fitting over that goes into a 2-inch, and I took RTV and again Flex Seal, sealed it all the way up, all the way around. Did a 90-degree 2-inch, another 90-degree, then a rubber coupler coming all the way up and all the way out. And then from here, I took the original factory plumbing that for the CVT, and I cut it right there at the joint where it comes out. Again, I took RTV and Flex Seal all the way around. I'll let all this stuff dry overnight, and when I let it dry overnight, I checked it and see if it was good, and it was fine. So then I took coupler all the way up, and I accidentally forgot to get one more, so I just got to put another rubber coupler and another pipe to come all the way out once I get back to the store. So this is how I did it, and it actually works. I'll show it to you. Just take your hand, put it over your intake, and watch the motor die. And it dies. It works perfectly fine. So that's where the thing works. Any questions? Let me know.